Morning, how's everybody? We are back with a report of the markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. So the markets seem to be celebrating the Trump Xi meeting, which has been planned for next week. They seem to have run away with that, despite the fact that US is planning on launching an investigation into China's trade practices, which could actually lead to further tariffs. But the market seems to have brushed that aside and are running away with the planned Trump Xi meeting for next week. And obviously, the markets are anticipating a rate cut at the end of at the end of next Federal Reserve meeting, which is on Tuesday, and a rate cut will be announced on Wednesday. Today is a big day for the markets. The inflation report, the CPI report, is expected at 1:30 UK time, 8:30 New York time, and 5:30 Pakistan time. So all that is in the offing. Um as a result of that, the markets have gone up, and with that, they've carried Bitcoin as well as the US dollar, which I did say would climb now at this point because the US government shutdown seems to be coming to an end. Gold prices seem to be taking a breather. I did say yesterday that gold prices would rise a bit and then they would dip again as the markets start to rally, and that is exactly what's happening. Oil prices are continuing to rally, which is expected given the increased in tensions between the US and Russia. So, on the whole, markets are surging. Bitcoin is surging, oil is surging, the US dollar is surging, but the gold prices seem to be on their way down, and that is what was expected when the markets were going to rally. So, stay long on everything except gold, and you should be able to make decent gains on everything, and watch out for the CPI report. I think the CPI report is going to be in line with expectations and not any higher. And if that is the case, the markets will rally further. So be ready for that at 1:30 p.m. UK time today.